Tracking system online. TV, verify you see our friendlies.
Roger that. Friendlies are marked with white diamonds. Just to confirm, crew, we are not declared a fire on the buildings. We suspect there are civilians still inside at this point.
Do not engage the buildings.
Metal 01, establish an orbit over AO Hammer. Request mark, over.
Red smoke on the LZ. Need you to service targets north of that location. Everything else except danger close is clear to shoot. Warhammer, target is destroyed. Thanks for the assist.
Solid copy, Metal 01. Overlord, Metal 01 is clear. Green light, bomb run on target area. West to east, I repeat, west to east.
Copy, west to east, OD6, you are cleared for bomb run TRP 5001.
Crew, hold fire to the south. Friendly birds are entering the airspace. Clean up that signal. Metal 01, we're seeing enemy activity headed your way. Recommend you hold your position until we've swept up, over.
Roger, we'll go.
Clear to engage all those guys.
There's a BTR moving down the street ahead of them.
We've got smoke on the targets. You're cleared hot, Warhammer.
There we go.
All right, they're falling back. Move up, move up.
Yeah, direct hits right there.
Neutralizing targets, Metal 01. Danger close. Repeat, danger close.
Target reset. Set scan range.
Enemies on our flank. Good work, Warhammer. We're Oscar Mike.
Yeah, he's toast.
Metal 01, we're engaging targets ahead of you. Hold your position.
Do not engage the buildings. Two enemy birds in the center of the fork. There.
Recalibrate azimuth sweep angle. Adjust elevation scan.
Good shot.
Metal 01, looks like you're clear to move up. We'll keep an eye on you.
We're gonna keep left at the fort. Over.
Direct hits right there.
Warhammer, we got RPG fire from the building in front of us. Need you to hit it now.
Copy that. We got smoke trails from RPG fire to the northwest. Careful, we're not clear to fire on any buildings.
Overlord, we're seeing small arms. RPG fire from the corner building to the northwest. Request permission to engage.
Copy, stand by. Affirmative, Warhammer, you are cleared to fire on any buildings with enemy personnel.
Crew, you're clear to engage the corner building.
Go ahead and level it. Fire on that building.
That building's down.
Thanks for the assist. We're gonna cut through the hotel across the street.
Big inbound, 10 o'clock.
Incoming missile.
Fires, fires.
let's go! We're getting the hell out of here! Frost, get on board!
Did a man talk?
They always talk. We got names, dates, locations. Bolt gave us everything, even Fragata. It seems your hunch was right, Captain.
Makarov's already making friends.
He's meeting with his top advisor 6 hours from now. Location is the Hotel Lustig. It's in the center of the city near the old square. We have Tier 1 groups assigned to handle this, but I don't think they'll make it in time. But you're close.
Very. I'll contact you when it's done.
Makarov's council all together in the middle of a war zone. Sounds convenient.
Overconfidence makes you careless. We'll infiltrate along 2 separate routes, so you and Yuri head for the church and provide overwatch.
The city's locked down tight. We'll need a back door.
Leave that to me. Welcome to Prague, gents.
The Resistance is expecting us half a click to the north.
Let's get this over with.
Hold up. They've already taken prisoners. They're moving fast. We need to be faster. Keep it tight, lads. Use the boats for cover. Move under the docks. The storm will keep us quiet.
Said this area be clear. Sure it was nothing you couldn't handle. Do you know what had to be done to get you this far?
Enough chit-chat. So, Yuri, let's get on your way. We'll meet you at the rally point.
Let's go, Yuri.
Hold up. Got contacts 20 meters ahead. Stay low. We don't want to attract any attention. 5 guys on foot. Snipers on the roof. Sit tight. We'll see what they do. They're splitting up. Must be a lucky day. Okay. Take the snipers first. They'll alert the others if you don't. Good. Now take the other. The dog and his friend are mine. No time to hide the bodies. Let's go. Hold your fire. We're walking down the city. We need to get ahead of this. Follow me. We've been spotted. Return fire. They're walking down the city. We need to get ahead of this. Follow me. Patrol up ahead. You get one, I'll take the other. chopper. Quick, through here. Wait here. Price, you copy? Go ahead. Lots of movement on the street. Keep your eyes high. Snipers are there. Enemy convoy. Move now. Stay low. There's too many of them. Get down. They're inside the building.
Ёбаная собака напугала мне до посрачки! Убери ее, к чертовой матери! Сам убирайся! Это хороший пес! Двигайся, сука! Ёб тебя, вот! Будь на чеку! С чего это мертвый, не факт! Ты слышал это? Стой! Есть с тобой кого-нибудь? Да, ты просто псих. Ну тихо, блин, я тут здесь одним трупом больше стану. Да, ты не расстраивайся. Просто тебе нравится стрелять.
Okay, we're gonna have to do the sharpish.
Нравится стрелять в тебя, понятно?
Get ready. Go. They're onto us. Open fire. Stay close. Good night. Hold up. 20 plus on foot, and they're bringing in armor. So, what's your status? In position. There's a bloody army in front of us. We're coming in from the west. Watch your fire. Roger. Scout on the rooftop. Take care of it. Nice timing, old man. One's down, mate, but we've got 4 men and they've got dozens. Don't worry. I'll pull some friends. Move with the rebels and get to the church. We'll cover you as best we can. Copy that. Ready, let's go. Moving up to the statue. Cover me. Heroes, they burn! Move up. Move up. wait for my go. Alright, smoke 'em! Reinforcements, take cover! Let's move, we'll improvise if we have to. Get down now! Stay down. Let's go! We're in position. Copy, get comfortable. We've got a few hours till the meeting. You got it, mate. Come on in, let's get south.
Which vehicle will he be in?
They constantly rotate for security. We won't know until he steps out.
You seem to know a lot about Makarov.
Alpha 1, radio check over.
Bravo 1, copy. We're dug in with line of sight.
Right, Kamarov's our eyes and ears inside the hotel. Once he gives us the nod, we'll kick this off. What do you see?
Bugger all, mate. Looks like Makarov's late for his own funeral.
Sit tight until we get a clean shot. Then you can put as many rounds on him as you like.
It'll only take one. It's almost time, Yuri. I think I'll be on the second floor.
Heads up. Makarov's convoy is arriving now.
I see it. 4 armored vehicles. No visual on Makarov yet. They're stopping in front of the hotel.
Do you see him?
Aye, there's a bastard. 3rd vehicle. Shite. Think he's looking right at us.
Easy. Just sit tight.
They're pulling into the garage now.
All right, Kamarov, you're up. Kamarov, do you read me?
Probably forgot to switch it on.
Doesn't matter. Makarov's here. We move forward with the plan. I'm in position. Ready?
Yuri, find Price in your scope. He's on the top of the hotel. We got you. We got some activity on the balcony. Take them out together, Yuri. On you.
Breach. Target down.
What the hell? Price, who is that?
Kamarov.
I'm sorry, Price.
Captain Price. Ад ждет тебя.
Price, get out of there!
Yuri, my friend. You never should have
What the
come
hell's
here.
he talking about? Get out now!
Just patch me up. It's not safe here. We have to move. Come on. We need... Nikolai, get us out. That chopper's circling back around. We have to move. Come on, son. You can make it. Yuri, cover the door. We need to get out of here. This way! Through here, let's go! There's more on the street. You take care of them. Go left, cut through the building. Just keep going! Don't stop! Keep moving! Just leave me, Price. No! I'm getting you out of this! Head for that building to the northwest! Behind us! Just hold on! Just rest. Get a medic! Come on, stay with me, son. Price. No. Makarov. Nose. Yuri. Oh, no, 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 no! So! No, no, no! So! You have to go, now! Get off me! I'm sorry. Soap trusted you. I thought I could too. So why in bloody hell does Makarov know you?
I was young and patriotic when I first met Vladimir Makarov.
Yuri, wake up. Zakayev wouldn't want you to miss this. This deal will generate millions for our cause. Money can buy many things, even power. The road to our future begins here, my friend.
Что значит маловато? Я думал, мы договорились.
Zakayev never forgot what we did for him that day. Our reward was power. But power corrupts.
Today, we show the world our true strength. Perhaps it will give you some as well. Is everything ready? Do it.
Thousands of souls extinguished by the push of a button.
Understand, Yuri? This is only the beginning.
This wasn't war. It was madness.
I know what you have done, Yuri. I know what you have told them. My friend, my ally, my betrayer. What happens here today will change the world forever. Nothing can stop this. Not even you.
Of Russia, not a taker of innocent lives. But in his eyes, this marked me as the enemy. Okay, Yuri. You bought yourself some time. For now.
There's a clock tower in Hereford where the names of the dead are inscribed. We try to honor their deeds, even as their faces fade from our memory. Those memories are all that's left when the bastards have taken everything else.
What happened?
He killed Soap. He's gone, Mac.
What do you need from me, son?
A location. Our Russian says Makarov used to cache weapons at an old castle near Prague. He's got nothing more solid than that.
Can you trust him?
What choice do I have? He's got his own reasons for wanting Makarov dead. Place ring any bells?
Aye. We ran drones over a suspect castle back in Zakayev's day, but we never got wind of our targets visiting the area.
What am I up against?
The place is a fortress. Only one way in or out. Unless you've learned to fly. Security office on the far side of the compound, and a command center north of that. Both were heavily guarded. If Makarov's there, he'll be in that control room. What's this you're sending me?
Equipment list.
That's a lot of hardware, John. What you plan on doing?
What you taught me to do. Kill them all.